Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right casting rod, reel, and line, match line class to species and water. Once equipped, attach your lure or bait and set reel drag to around 10–20% of line test so you avoid breaks. Next, position your character and set camera and input sensitivity. This directly affects aim and timing. Finally, practice a few short casts to confirm animations and key bindings. If the lure behaves oddly, adjust camera or input dead zones before committing to a full session. Now focus on timing. Aim with the reticle, charge the cast power, and release at the correct meter point for your targeted distance. Practice to learn the meter sweet spot. Make small power adjustments when wind or heavier lures require more force, and compensate by aiming slightly upwind. Once the lure lands, manage rod tip and retrieve speed. Use smooth, steady reeling for shy bites and short, aggressive jerks to provoke strikes. Make sure to watch lure behavior. It tells you when to change retrieve or lure type. When the bite indicator flashes, set the hook with a firm input. Timing matters. Too early misses, too late loses the fish. During the fight, control tension by pumping rod to reduce stamina and reeling during low tension windows. Watch the line meter and reel direction to prevent snapping. As the fish tires, move it toward the net or shallow bank, then perform the final net action. If the line breaks or fish escapes, inspect knots, drag, and line class before returning. Often tightening drag or swapping line solves repeat failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.